Quad Lock is the lightest, strongest, and most secure smartphone bike mount. It provides easy access to your smartphone and is perfect for road cycling, mountain biking, and daily commuting. The Quad Lock bike kit is supplied with everything needed to mount your smartphone on your bike stem or handlebars. Our patented dual-stage lock allows you to securely attach and detach your smartphone in seconds. Quad Lock is perfect for tracking your fitness, navigating your ride, and taking quick photos on the go. The Quad Lock mount is super strong and will hold your smartphone securely over even the roughest terrain. Quad Lock makes for a great everyday case. With its slim profile, it's easily pocketable. The Quad Lock case will keep your smartphone safe thanks to its impact-resistant edge-to-edge protection and microfiber lining. With already 1 million customers and thousands of 5-star reviews, Quad Lock is the world's best solution. Quad Lock, smartphone mounting for an active lifestyle.
Say goodbye to tangled headphones, chargers, and cables. And say hello to Kloop, your everyday magnetic cable tie. Kloop was built to help keep you organized and keep your cables and cords neat and tangle-free. Use it at home to keep your living space free of cord clutter. Keep Kloop at your desk to increase usability and workflow. It even keeps your cables off the floor to prevent accidents or damage caused by pets. Kloop makes your cables easy to pack up and take with you on the go. When you're ready to use your headphones, Kloop frees your cable in one easy step. Snap it onto your clothes and your earbuds stay out of the way when exercising. Kloop will always keep your growing collection of gadgets neat and tangle-free. Here's where Kloop is unique. It comes in 2 different sizes and 3 different colors. Kloop is made from an elastic silicone material with 2 neodymium magnets located at opposite ends. Kloop won't slide off your cables. In fact, it actually works as a companion device. Kloop stays attached to your cable even when not in direct use, so you'll never have to worry about accidental loss. Kloop is simple, effective, compact, and can be taken anywhere. It's your everyday magnetic cable tie.
Alexa, add milk to the shopping list.
I added milk to your shopping list.
Alexa, play my morning playlist.
Alexa, how's the traffic to the office?
Alexa, start my 7-minute workout.
To continue where you last left off, say ready.
Ready.
Alexa, wake up Nina.
Nina, wake up.
Alexa, how many days until Christmas?
There are 112 days until Christmas Day.
Alexa, what is the weather today?
72 degrees with mostly sunny skies.
Good morning.
Daddy, how many countries in the world?
Let's ask Alexa.
How many countries in the world?
The world has 192 UN-recognized countries.
Thank you so much. How many calories does bacon have?
Bacon has 541 calories per 100 grams.
Alexa, record Alvin and the Chipmunks on Netflix tonight.
All right, honey, let's get ready for school. Alexa, ask Uber to request a ride.
This is the Stone. It's modern cutting-edge technology in a small package. Also, it has a button. What does it do? Well, the Stone tags your stuff, so you can find them later. It even has a motion sensor, so you can tell when it moves. One moment. Since the motion tracker is proximity-based, it can notify you when it leaves. And when it returns.
It even has a temperature sensor, so you can tell how hot your car is in the morning.
All right. Enough about the stone. Let's talk about the button. You can press the button to do anything.
Anything?
Well, almost anything.
Like get me a pizza?
Sure. You can even call a friend. Kimmy, pizza party, my place. You can also take a selfie. With IFTTT, the possibilities are endless. You can even tell it to do different things at different times of the day. Or you can flip it to smart mode, and it will figure out what you want. The Pebble Bee Stone is the perfect way to organize and simplify your life.